let it go.
You circling it? You looking for its vulnerability? You trying to sneak around behind it or something?
Hit it, Logan! Hit it!
Get it.
Hit it.
Good. Oh, that was a good one, dude.
Give it to this girl.
Okay, hang on. Hang on. Before you start, that's yours.
Thanks.
This.
Keep cooking.
What? Oh, sorry.
All right, Ellie, come here.
Go, Ellie, go.
I barely got your face in there.
I wish there were blindfolds. That makes it way more fun. Unless if you like
Good hit.
Okay, good job.
All right, Joe, you ready?
I need to be
You ready, Joe?
Oh no. Isn't that the way it works?
Ah, good one.
How many hits do you get?
Good one.
job.
That's all right. Watch out.
Could you position him?
No, you sure?
Dale, dale, Cindy.
Go, Sissy.
Thank you. Thanks.
You get ready. Sure.
Go, Kinley.
Oh.
Wow, you came to bring it.
Yep.
Good one.
You got one piece of candy?
I got it.
Oh man, Kinsley, move.
I got it.
Candy?
Candy. Wait, nope. You stay right here.
Candy.
I know. Oh, it's a good one. Way to go. Kinsley, stand back. Wait for it. No. Logan Alexander. Logan, leave
Yeah,
it.
buddy, right back there.
Even when the candy comes out, don't come over. I will tell
Nope, hold on. Maybe Miss Erica will let you hold it.
What do you want, honey? You want
Hey,
it?
look, a candy opening. That's what I did.
Back up, Francis.
The keeps her still and away from there.
Will she chew it, or do I need to break it up?
She should be fine. Whoa! Logan!
There's still candy left.
That was a big hit, man. Nope, you wait here.
Sasha, wait, Sasha.
Back up, get ready, back up. How many do I get?
You guard your face, girl.
Sasha, stój.
Get the candy!
Pinata down, pinata down. Oh my gosh. Kinsley.
I'm gonna
Kinsley, leave.